Okay, we were just learning about how to make different connections. We learned about making spiral connections and zigzag connections. Right now we're going to learn a shape which we call a triangular antiprism. It can also be called like a spiky ring. Using 6 tiles and 6 connectors. You can use any colors you want, but I chose one of each color, not counting black and white. And we're going to make a kind of rainbow pattern. And it's going to involve all spiral connections. So we'll start with red, put a connector here. Now we want to put an orange one. We're going to go in order of the rainbow, which is Roy G. Biv, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Anyway, we are going to put a connection and we got to make sure it's a spiral connection. So let's see, is that a spiral? Yes, it is. Remember, we can check to see if it's a spiral, if it does like that, if it folds all the way. If we had done like this, that would be a zigzag, and that's not going to get us the shape we want. So, spiral, okay? And now, this is a little tricky, the next connector we're not going to put there, we're going to put it here, okay? Just alongside the other one. So like we're going around a corner. And now we want red, orange, yellow. That's the next color in the rainbow. And we want to make another spiral connection. That's a zigzag connection. We don't like that. I can show you it's a zigzag because if I go like this, it doesn't fold back. So turn this 1/4 of the way. It folds. And now we have that. Where do you think the next connector goes? Connector, connector, right here. Okay? We're making this into a ring. So connectors are going all along these paths here. And now red, orange, yellow, green, right? Did I do that right? Yes, I did. That's a spiral connection. What comes next? Yellow, green, blue. I'm going to put it here. That makes sense? You don't want to put it here. That's not going to help us get our ring closed off. And we also don't want to put it here. So, look at this pattern. Connector, 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 connector. And now the blue one comes along. Oops. There we go. We're almost done. We're now going to take and add the last connector, well, one of the last connectors, the 5th connector there. Now comes the last tile, the purple one, violet, and we're going to connect it like this. And now, guess what we're going to do to complete the color wheel, the rainbow? That's right, we're going to connect these two. And this shape, as I said, is called an antiprism. See the triangle there and the triangle here, but they're not on top of each other, they're twisted. It also kind of looks like a star pattern or a ring. You can have lots of different names for it. And this is a neat structure just by itself. It turns out if you make a bunch of these, you can stack them and build stuff with them. Because anything you can build with a triangle, you can build with this triangular antiprism. In fact, this is actually the start, see, of this shape right here, which is kind of fun. Can you see that ring that's there? Is the same as this ring right here? Yeah.